How much should you really pay for a patent? Everyone wants to know what's the real cost of filing for a patent. Now, here's the breakdown. Filing a solid US patent with professional help typically costs $10,000 to $20,000. But you shouldn't even be thinking about that part yet, because you need to do research first to find out what's out there similar to your invention, because that's going to determine whether you should be filing a patent application at all. So doing research to find the closest things to it is going to shape the process. It's going to help you know what to emphasize, what to focus on if you do file a patent application. So you should be thinking about the research stage first. At my firm, we charge $2,500 for the patent evaluation, and that includes the research, and it includes us looking at strategy to figure out what application you should be filing. So think in terms of that at an initial stage. Ultimately, you're going to spend $10,000 to $20,000 on a patent, but then it's only going to be if it seems like a good candidate for a patent. Filing a cheap patent or skipping the research often results in rejected patents, wasted time, and wasted money. The other thing to understand is that typically after the patent application is filed, there will be other fees for further steps that are taken to convince the patent office that your invention is patent worthy. There are issuance fees when the patent is approved. There are maintenance fees that come later. It's important to find out all of what you will be facing before you get into the patent process. You want to get a real quote with no surprises. You want to book a strategy call using the link in my bio, and you can check out my book for a full breakdown of the patent process so you know what you're getting into and you can begin to get a feel for what it's all going to cost you.